Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust BMW F30 headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 6mm Allen key, along with some painter's tape and a measuring tape. This simple adjustment will significantly improve your nighttime visibility and ensure your lights are properly aimed, preventing you from dazzling oncoming drivers. It's a straightforward process that makes a big difference for safety. Next, prepare your vehicle for adjustment. Park it on a level surface, precisely 25 feet away from a flat wall or garage door. Measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your low beam headlight. Mark this measurement on the wall with painter's tape. Then, create a second horizontal line 2 inches lower. This will be your target for vertical alignment. Now, let's adjust the vertical aim. Pop your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw on top of each headlight assembly. This screw is typically closer to the inside of the car. Use your screwdriver or Allen key to turn it. Turning clockwise will raise the beam, while counterclockwise will lower it. Adjust until the top edge of the brightest part of your low beam aligns with the lower tape line on the wall. Finally, address horizontal aim if your F30 model includes this adjustment, often found closer to the headlight's outer edge. Turn the screw to center the beam between your vertical tape marks. Remember, some models may not have accessible horizontal adjustment. Once both headlights are aligned, take your BMW for a test drive to ensure optimal road illumination and that you are not bothering other drivers. Make any minor tweaks as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.